Welcome to week 4. I hope you guys are all safe after the hurricane. Please remember to reach out to me if you have any concerns or worries. So, week 4, we're going to really focus on PLEs and PLNs. We have an assignment overview. This kind of outlines your week of what's going to happen. Remember, all assignments are due midnight on Saturday. So we're going to learn about what PLNs and PLEs are. You're going to do we're going to call this, I'm going to change this to a mind map. You're going to embed that mind map onto your website. You're going to go back to Twitter. You're going to do some retweeting. We'll talk about that. And then you're going to understand what Apple Teacher is. Here's an optional video. I'm going to add a few more here, but just for the sake of time, I have this up right now. So the lesson goal for the week is really to engage with various parts of a technology personal learning network. So really kind of look at the personal learning network. You're going to understand the functions and parts of a PLN and PLE. You're going to reflect on your PLN and PLE, and you're going to utilize Twitter as a PLN because I'm going to ask you to retweet something. So let's kind of dive deep into those lessons so that you kind of know and understand what's expected this week. So when you learn about PLNs, I have a lecture that I have up. So here's the video. And it will bring you to me explaining what a PLN or a PLE is. And then this is the slide deck that I actually use to in my videos so that if you want to go back to that or have a copy of it. Next, you're going to create your own mind map. You're going to use this website in order to create your own mind map. And this video right here shows you how to do that. So great little video that quickly explains it. After you do these two, you're going to go to, and I believe that's my dog scratching on the door. Sorry about that you probably hear in the background. But you are going to go and create a sub page on your website, and that sub page is going to go under technology projects. Remember, I always have this handy dandy map so I know where things go. If you don't know how to create a subpage in Google Sites, this tells you how to do that. And then this is the storyboard that I just held up. Once I create that page, I'm going to write 3 to 5 sentences. I'm going to explain what a PLN and a PLE is. After I explain what those are, I'm going to give an example of something that's in my personal as well as my professional PLN. Please write complete sentences so we look professional on our website. And then lastly, you're going to embed this PLN mind map that you made into your site. And this is a quick video that shows you how to embed onto Google Sites. Then you're going to go to Twitter. When you're on Twitter, you will hopefully see some educational things that are of interest to you. You're going to retweet something that's professional. Please, not personal. We're doing professional here. You're going to add this tag. And I want to give you credit for this. So you're going to have to take a screenshot and upload to Moodle. That's just something odd in Moodle, the way that I have to give you credit. So please take a screenshot of whatever you tweet and upload it to Moodle. And then finally, throughout the semester, we're going to be doing Apple Teacher. It's a great way, a great recognition to have in order for jobs. So schools look for this. So we're going to ask you to do Apple Teacher. This is something you're going to work on independently through the semester. It will be built in through next week. I'll remind you, work on Apple Teacher, try to get some done. So I'll space it out. But this is just your time to kind of get familiar with it. Next week, I am going to ask you to take a picture so that I know you actually signed up and are starting to work on it, so you don't wait to the last minute. But there are tests when you do Apple Teacher. It's just showing that you understand the power of the device. So there's tests, there's iPad and MacBook. You do not need to do both, only one. And the neat thing is it'll give you your certificate, and that certificate will go onto your website. So what assessments do you have this week? You're going to do your Twitter repost. That's going to be a screenshot of Moodle. That'll give you 5 participation points. You're also going to get 10 points on that mind map that goes to that master classroom rubric. If you have any questions or concerns, you know how to reach me. I don't think I put that here. I'll put my email, and remember, that the best way, I believe it's in Blanchard, sorry, one of those days. The best way to reach me is my cell phone through text. I'm pretty responsive, so shoot me a text if you have any questions. Just tell me who you are and what class I'm teaching you. Have a great day. Bye bye.